Eggplant savory cake as an appetizer for my fall feast. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Tomorrow I'm having a fall fest. I have a few couples coming over, and one of the dishes that I will be serving as an appetizer is eggplant savory cake. Delicious. Now let's get started. For this recipe you will need 3 medium-sized eggplant. Slice them thinly and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And only one side with salt and pepper. I love fall. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. While the eggplant is baking, we're going to begin with the second part of this recipe, which is the tomato sauce. Over medium heat, place 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 diced sweet onion. And help the onions along, we're just going to add a little bit of salt. This will help the onions sweat. And cayenne pepper. The onions are translucent. It's time to add 660 ml of passata. Add 1 cup of purified water to the bottle. This way you get all the good stuff. We don't want to leave any behind. The sauce has been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to add the rind of a Parmigiano Reggiano to the sauce. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes. The sauce is ready. Our last touch, just a pinch of baking soda to remove all the acidity from the tomatoes. Ready to assemble my eggplant savory cake. You will need an 8-inch springform pan. Spray with baking spray and parchment line the bottom and then spray on top of the parchment paper. Begin by lining the bottom of the pan with a sauce. With the eggplant, another layer of sauce, top with mozzarella, time for Parmigiano Reggiano, second layer of eggplant, there. Another layer of sauce. This is such a delicious dish. Your guests are going to love it. I'm going to repeat what we did before. Mozzarella, Parmigiano Reggiano. Can you taste it? This is the third layer. Mozzarella cheese. Be generous with the cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano. And we're ready for our final layer. Our 6th layer. The final layer of cheese, we're really going to be generous because we want a really nice crust on top. And Parmigiano Reggiano. And our cake is ready for the oven. Bake for 35 minutes. Eggplant savory cake baked off beautifully. And I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. And to let it cool to room temperature for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to taste it for you. I don't think they'll mind if I opened one. I already prepared 2 of these. Taste it for you. Oh, so good. Delicioso. Absolutely delicious. My guests are going to love this tomorrow. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving, a wonderful fall season. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao. Ooh. Mmm.